Okay, we saw 2 mantas and now we have to jump in really fast because they don't stay very long.
Easily the best snorkeling experience we've ever had, but Alicia got seasick.
I think it's in this little section here. Hello!
We made it to Mamma Mia's, this beautiful restaurant right on the water with some insane views. Gonna grab some lunch and give Alicia a little more time and hope that she's feeling a little bit better before we continue to explore.
We both ordered tacos. I got the vegetarian ones with jackfruit because we've been seeing so many jackfruit trees all around the islands. And Nate got shrimp tacos because we're right on the water and seafood just sounds perfect. I'm excited to dig in, but our view here is amazing. We're right on the water overlooking all the seaweed farms, which was the main source of income for most of the people who live on this island for the last 2 years because they're actually used for cosmetics. The seaweed farmers will sell it to a local here and they'll sell it to larger companies back on Bali mainland.
The shrimp is very fresh and I love all the avocado that they pile in, and the crunch on the taco itself is just very, very good. Mamma Mia's was awesome, but time is flying, so we're heading on to the next stop. Okay, Blue Lagoon, take 2.
Okay, it is like Gatorade Blue. It is absolutely insane and beautiful, and we came to this little secret spot. There's a couple other people here, but we have a perfect view of just this insane colored water. Never seen anything like it.
We have to go, or we're gonna be late for our boat. It's the last boat of the day. We don't have a hotel here tonight. Thought we were running.
Not through there. Am I die? Ordered tacos. I got the vegetarian ones with jackfruit because we're looking all the for cosmetics. Not eating because they're actually used for cosmetics. The seaweed farmers will sell it to a local here and they'll sell it to larger companies back on Bali mainland.